Hello, this is going to be a quick video to show you how to get logged into Zoom if all other things have failed. You want to start with your Chromebook freshly turned on, open up Chrome in a blank window, come up to the bar here and type in zoom.us and then go there. You should see a screen that looks just like this. You're going to want to sign in. Click on that. By the way, not to sign up, you want sign in. When you've done that, do not enter your email and all that right here in the email address or password spot. That would be wrong. Instead, scroll down a bit. Come on right down here and see all these sign ins. You want the one right in the middle, sign in with Google. Click on that and boom, it's going to bring you into your account. You're going to see your picture right there up in the upper right hand corner, I hope. Right? You'll have meetings scheduled. Actually, you probably won't, but it will say schedule a meeting. You'll see all your settings over there. And that is exactly what you need to have done. At that point, you're good. Go back into your email, check for your links for your teachers. They should be working for you. All right. That's about it. If you have any questions or issues, by all means, shoot me an email. Let me know. Otherwise, that's about it. Thank you. And as always, go Tigers.